Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can find the red filter in TikTok or the V7 filter in TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera and right now as you can see this is normal mode. To get this V7 filter you have to go here. This is the filters. Okay, now I'm in portrait. Here slide right and select pipe. Okay, and slide right, and this is the V7 filter or the red filter. Tap on it and you are done. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this red filter in TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.